Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a video for the benefit of a customer of ours who ordered a T-Con board for Visio XVT 3D 474, I believe, SV. This is the T-Con. I'm going to show some unique markings as soon as the video is done. That customer explicitly requested that we ensure that the board is functional. Probably he doesn't believe our listing that they are. He also gave very specific instructions about how to package the board and make sure that we put the fragile labels on top of it. Will undoubtedly will make any USPS or whatever postal service international carrier handle it extremely carefully. Seeing is believing. This is what we have, and I'm going to turn it off now, and I'm going to show you the board on the back so that you know that there are no gimmicks, because if you don't trust us once, chances are you will not trust us more. This is the board. Today is 20th of September. Hopefully that is unique enough. Again, seeing is believing. And this is where it will go. Like those labels. There's a different one here to ensure it does work. This is our board again. It will be wrapped here, and there will be a fragile label on top. Hope that helps. Thank you for your detailed instructions, and happy to be able to provide you with this assurance that they were not wasted. Thank you.